Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by verifying prerequisites so nothing breaks mid-process. First, confirm the Instagram profile is set to business and note any linked Facebook page because removal behaves differently. Once done, export or screenshot important posts, captions, and contacts. Instagram data requests can take time. Make sure you have login credentials and two-factor authentication device or codes accessible. You'll avoid losing analytics or connection to ads. This prepares you to switch settings immediately without access interruptions or unexpected data loss. You now convert the business account or unlink it. This step controls what's removed. Go to Settings account and choose Switch to Personal. This removes business features like contact buttons and insights. If the account is linked to a Facebook page, open Page Settings and unlink or remove Instagram connection, then disconnect any ad accounts. Also revoke third-party app access in security apps and websites. Doing this prevents leftover links and billing. Once unlinking completes, the profile behaves like a regular account ready for final removal. Finish by choosing deletion or temporary deactivation on Instagram's account removal page. Deletion is permanent, deactivation restores later. Follow prompts, enter password, confirm action, and complete any email or two-factor prompts. Make sure you keep backup codes handy in case the 2FA device is unavailable. If the process errors, clear app cache, try from a desktop browser, or use the account recovery flow. These fixes resolve session or permission issues. One troubleshooting tip: if removal fails repeatedly,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.